Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a credit account with Discover, complete guide step by step clearly. To register a credit account with Discover, begin by visiting the official Discover website. Once on the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. On the login page, locate the register link underneath the login fields. Click on the register link to access the registration form. You will be prompted to enter your social security number. Input your social security number in the designated field accurately. Next, provide your date of birth. After that, enter your account number. Your account number can be found on your credit card or in your welcome letter. Once all required information is filled, click on the Continue button. Follow any additional prompts to verify your identity. This may include answering security questions or verifying your contact information. Once verified, you'll be prompted to create your username and password. Choose a strong password that meets the security criteria provided. After setting your username and password, read through the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Then, click Submit to finalize your registration. Once your account is successfully registered, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now log in using your newly created credentials. Explore the features available in your Discover account to manage your credit account efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.